In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a slide layout in PowerPoint. All you have to do is find the slide that you want to change the layout. You right click on that slide, and here you'll find layout. You'll find certain custom layouts that you can choose from. And especially if you're using a template, you will find layouts from the template as well. And so you can choose whichever one you want. So in this case, I believe this current one is possibly the header section. As you can see, it's automatically selected. But let's say I want to use something else. It could be I want to use, let's say, the closing, or I wanted to use this one here or this one here. It doesn't matter, right? We can go ahead and we can click on one different one, for example, this, and you can see that it adds that specific style. And if I don't want to use the image, I can just delete it and just work with the style. And as you can see, it basically changed the information. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another one. So if I right click again on this, go to layout, and let's say I want to use something else, right? For example, I want to use the style of the agenda. I can click it and you can see that it adds it in and it just move the text. So that's how you can easily change a slide layout in PowerPoint. Very easy and very simple.